Step by step, inch by inch, the Islamic Dawah in South Africa progresses with the Qudrat of Allah, Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, through the efforts of IDM and others. More and more people are embracing the religion of Allah. Some IDM achievements of last month include electricity installment at the IDM Flagstaff Islamic Center in the Eastern Cape Province, a brand new carpet fitted at the IDM Mabheleni Islamic Center in the Northwest Province, enhancing the learning and spiritual environment, a borehole established at the IDM Soshanguve Islamic Community Center, further printing of the IDM Madressa Syllabus of all 5 subjects of the first 3 grades, also used for adults, especially new Muslims. These projects reflect our commitment to improving the lives of those in our communities and ensuring access to essential resources and education. Your support makes these achievements possible. Together, we are creating a lasting change, InshaAllah. IDM, committed to uplifting and empowering our communities, with your help, and with the Qudrat of Allah, Subhanahu wa Ta'ala.